Hey guys, it's Sarah and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am here with a back to school affordable makeup look. None of these products are above $10, I believe, and I also have really cute, easy, quick back to school hairstyles. So yes, if you guys want to see all of that, let's go ahead and get started. Now, I went through all of my drugstore foundations and I picked the one that is personally my favorite. You guys see me use it all the time on my channel. And I also picked the one that is the most affordable. So the one that is the most affordable and also my favorite is the L'Oreal True Match Lumi Healthy Luminous Makeup. I absolutely love this foundation. You guys see me use it all the time. This is a great foundation if you are going for an everyday natural look. It's very lightweight, buildable coverage. It's not cakey on the skin. So this is perfect if you're in middle school and high school, just for an everyday look. It doesn't really make you look cakey. It enhances your skin and your natural beauty. You're just basically covering up any red spots, any imperfections, and this will really give you an all-over even complexion. And to blend it out, we're going to be taking the L'Oreal sponge. I use this all the time. I love it even better than my Real Technique sponge, and I like it better than my Beauty Blender. And this right here, I believe, is only $6. And the foundation right here is probably $6, I believe. I'll leave all the prices as I'm using it up here for you guys. But yes, these are very affordable and I really like this sponge a lot. You want to make sure you get your sponge nice and damp before you apply your foundation because it will make it go on a lot smoother and less cakey. It is going to be absorbing any excess product that you don't really need. So I'm going to be taking my foundation. You could either pump it on the sponge, but I don't like doing that because it really absorbs too much product and you waste a lot of product doing it that way. So I recommend you just taking probably one pump or two. I'm running out of this, so I'm going to do about 2 pumps. And you have that on the back of your hand. Make sure your face is nice and cleaned, as well as your hands before you start your makeup. Now that I have my makeup on the back of my hand, I'm going to take my finger and apply little dots anywhere that I feel that I need coverage or to cover up any imperfections. So that's my cheek area, that's underneath my nose, my forehead, and my chin. That's where I get the most redness. So as you see, I didn't use all of the product. I'm just taking a little bit first and using it where I need it. And then we can see from there how much we want to apply. So I'm taking my sponge. So you want to make sure that you dab it out and not rub. If you're rubbing it, it's really going to take all that product away and all your hard work away. So you really want to make sure that you dab the foundation out. I don't like to put my foundation under my eyes that much because we are going to be applying some concealer and you don't want your eyes to be super cakey. So I'm just applying it where I need it, which is my cheeks and my nose right underneath very lightly. Again, make sure you're dabbing and not rubbing. And as you see, that is one layer. It's very lightweight. You can still see my skin peeking through. But again, it covered up all that redness that I really wanted. But again, it looks like my skin. That's why I love this foundation. It's great for younger girls. And I love it. I highly recommend it. So that right there is with the one layer of foundation on. It's not even one layer. It's just a few little dots of foundation. As you see, it covered up my redness very, very well. And it looks like my skin, but a little bit better, a little bit more enhanced. But again, you can still see my skin peeking through, which is great. If you feel that you need a little bit more, of course, you can take a little bit more and add it where you need it. But I think that's good for me for right now. So I'm going to leave it as is. But for concealer, we're also going to be taking the e.l.f. concealer. Again, mine is in the shade Fair. I love this one. I believe this is only $2. So amazing, so affordable. So what I'd like to do first is take the actual applicator and apply it right under my eyes, just a few dots, going from the inner corner and applying it all the way out to the outer corner of my eye. I like to bring it down just a little bit because it brightens my under eyes up. I'm going to brighten up my eyes too much, so if you wanted to brighten up your eyes, I would get a shade a little bit lighter. So as you see, I have it from inner to outer corner of my eye. I'm taking the same sponge and again, dabbing that all out very lightly. You do not want to apply harsh pressure, just very lightly on the eyes, going back and forth. I also am going to be applying this on top of my eyelids. This is going to help prime for eyeshadow. And it also takes all that discoloration away, which is really nice. So that right there is the layer of concealer on top of the foundation. Okay, so that right there is with the concealer and foundation on. Again, with the concealer, I'm going to go back in and apply this wherever I feel the foundation didn't really cover up anything that I wanted. So if you have blemishes peeking through, definitely use the concealer to cover that up. So I'm going to be taking just a little bit on my chin because I have some redness there, and a little bit under my nose as well, and a little bit in the middle of my forehead. Again, I have a lot of redness in that area. And then again, going in and dabbing. So that right there is with everything applied. It looks really good. Again, if you see imperfections peeking through, of course, go back in with your concealer and add as much coverage as you feel that you need. We're going to go in and set all of that so it stays in place throughout the day of your long, hard school day. So going in with the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless Powder. This one is in translucent. So translucent means it adds no color or coverage. So basically you're just setting the foundation and the concealer. It's not going to add coverage. It's not going to change the color of it. You're just basically setting that all down so it stays in place. Taking that same sponge, you can use a sponge for so many different things. I'm taking that same sponge and taking a little bit of that powder, as you see right there. And I'm just setting this right under my eyes, doing dabbing motions. Never rub, and applying it on my eyelid as well. Anywhere we put that concealer, if we really want to set it down with some powder. Again, just literally one swipe, nothing too heavy. This powder is very lightweight. Again, since it is translucent, it's very lightweight. It adds no coverage, no color, which is really nice. And if you get oily more throughout your T-zone, definitely bring this with you throughout the school day and take your sponge with you and just apply a little bit more. You can also, if you didn't bring this throughout the school day, you can just take a napkin and just kind of blot it throughout the day if you feel that you're getting oily throughout this area. But if you do get oily there, I would set it a little bit more heavily than I am. But my skin is more dry than oily. So now we're going to go in and bronze up the skin because we have no color right now. We look a little bit light and pale, and we want to make sure we look like a bronze goddess. So to bronze, I'm going in with this e.l.f. Saint Luca Duo. It has a bronzer and it has a blush as well, so it's very, very quick, very easy to use. 2 products in one, which I love. And I believe this is only $2 or $4, which is great. So now I'm taking my Real Technique. This is the Real Technique blush brush, and I believe this is about $6. You can get this at Ulta, and they might sell them at Target and CVS as well. These brushes are great, very affordable. So I'm going in with the darker shade and taking a big fluffy brush, just very lightly, and tapping off the excess. Doing that gets all the extra powder that you don't need off of the brush, which is really nice. Now going in, we're going to be putting this basically like a 3. So 1, 2, 3. You're going from your forehead to your cheekbone to your chin. And that's basically the 3. It's very easy to do. And just keep doing that until you have enough. Again, I'm lightly doing it, applying light pressure. I want to make sure I don't take away any of that other product. That's why I'm using a big fluffy brush, because it's not going to take away any product. It's going to give me a light amount of powder. We don't want too much. So that's my 3 right there. And as you can see the difference, nice and bronzed, has some color to the skin, and this one's a little bit dull. So that's bronzer, very easy, very lightweight. As you guys see, this is a very natural look, which I love. Now taking that same duo and going in with the blush side and taking that same brush, just getting a little bit of that blush, tapping off the excess, and just smiling and applying it to the apples of my cheeks. And as you see, you don't need a highlighter with this because the blush had a nice sheen in it. So we have three products to one. Basically, you have the bronzer, the blush, and the highlighter, because that blush had a little bit of that nice highlight in it. So we're not going to be adding any highlighter because that already has it. But of course, if you want to, go ahead. Now going in with the brows. When I was younger, I never really did my brows. Of course, you can do them, you cannot do them, whatever you prefer. So I'm going in, this is the e.l.f. eyebrow pencil. It's $2. I love this. It's my go-to pencil. I use this all the time, as you guys know. So it has a spoolie on the one end, which is a nice brush to brush your brows through. And then it has the pencil. So first I'm going in with the brush and just brushing my brows through, getting all that makeup or the powder that we had in there out of there and really brushing it through. Now, when I'm going for a more natural look like we have right here, I don't like to do my brows super dramatic because it looks a little bit uneven because you have a really natural face and really dramatic brows. Mine is in the shade Natural Brown. I like to take it and just fill in any of them sparse areas. And this has a mirror that we just used for the bronzer and the blush, so it's great. You could just take it on the go with you. And I'm literally just filling in any of them sparse areas, doing hair-like strokes and making a tail at the end. Just filling in any of the missing brow hairs. And that's basically, as you guys can see, just adding a little bit of color so I don't look completely washed out with no brows. Basically it for the brows. Super easy, super lightweight and natural, which I love. And the last thing we have to do is the eyes. If you do like applying eyeshadow, I highly recommend this one. I believe it's about $5. This is the Wet n Wild Rose in the Air eyeshadow palette. I have a tutorial on my channel using this. If I can find it, I'll leave it down below for you guys. But I love this palette. It has really neutral shades. You have your browns, your warm tones. So I really like this. So I'm going to be taking is this shade right here. It's a nice shimmery shade. And basically with my finger, I'm applying that all over my lid and in the inner corner. Again, we're going for a really nice, natural, quick back-to-school look. So this is perfect. Just take your finger and apply that all over the lid. It adds a nice sheen and as well as the inner corner. And that's it for the eyes. The last thing you have to do is mascara. This right here is the NYX mascara in brown. I absolutely love this one. It's so natural. It's less harsh than black. Black can be very dramatic. So if you want more of a natural look, I highly recommend the brown one. They have all different colors. So I'm taking this and applying a really light layer. Okay, so that right there is with the whole face done. All we have left is the lips. For lips, I have two products for you guys that are very affordable. The first one is the Maybelline Born With It lipstick, which is such a pretty neutral light shimmer lipstick. So pretty. This, I believe, is about $4. And then I also have the LA Color lip gloss. You can get this at the dollar store. I believe you can also get it at CVS. This is only $2 and it's a nice lip gloss. We can go ahead and use both for today's video. So first I'm going to go in with the Maybelline Born With It 015 lipstick. I actually really like that by itself. It has a nice sheen to it, so I'm not going to be applying this one, but if you guys do like lip glosses, the LA colors are great. They're only $2, so I highly recommend that. But this one, I really, really like it. And yes, that is it for the makeup. Very, very affordable, very lightweight, natural, everyday makeup. Takes you 5 minutes, even less once you get it down. And yeah, I really like this look. I hope you guys really like this look as well. Let me know if you do recreate this look. Let me know if you wear it to school and if you like it. And yeah, send me some pictures. DM me on Instagram. I would love to see them. Love to post them on my story of your recreations. So yes, that is the makeup look. I really, really like it. Okay guys, now let's go ahead and get started with the hairstyles. Okay, so the first hairstyle that I love to do, that I just wore, you guys saw the headband. I absolutely love this. It makes any outfit really pop and look like you put a lot of effort to it when you really didn't. So this right here is the headbands. These are from Amazon. I believe they were only $8 for these two. So you have a dark blue one and then a nude one. I absolutely love these. They have nice pearls on it. They're velvet and they're just so pretty. I love pearls. I think they're so pretty when you use them the right way. So I really like these. They're very quick. So as you guys see, my hair is already curled. You can do the straight, natural hair, curly hair, whatever you guys prefer. So what I do is take the two pieces from the front, bring them out, and just put the headband right in, and that's it. You have a nice hairstyle. It looks like you put a lot of effort to it when you really didn't. The next hairstyle that I love to do is using scrunchies. I love scrunchies so much. I've been really into them lately, and especially leopard. I love leopard. So this right here is a leopard scrunchie, and it came with this little bow that you can tie a bow with. So what we're going to be doing is doing a top knot. So easy. So all I'm doing is taking half of my hair from the top and putting it into a little ballerina bun. So easy. And then taking the leopard string and applying it into a cute little bow. You can either leave it in the front of your hair or leave it in the back. I like it in the back. So yes, this is such a cute, easy hairstyle, and I love it. I wear it all the time. It's nice if you want your hair out of your face and you want a simple, easy, messy bun. Love this. So cute. So I really love these furry scrunchies. They're so cute. These ones are from Ulta. They have brown, a light pink, and a more darker pink. And these are so cute. So you can leave your hair in the top knot and just add these right over top, and they add such a cute little fun flair to the look. So the next hairstyle involves another scrunchie, but this one is so cute. So it looks like a bandana, and then it has these little string things hanging down, and it's adorable. This is in dark blue. I got this at Forever 21. I'll leave everything that I got down below and where I got it from, as well as the links if I can find them. But this look is perfect if you want a really messy, quick look. This look is so quick, but I love it. It looks so cute. So all I do is take my hair to the side and do a really quick, messy bun. Don't even worry about it. Just do a quick, messy bun and leave this hanging down. It looks so cute, and of course, take some pieces out from the front to make it a little bit more messier. Alright guys, so that was it for the hairstyles. I absolutely love them. I use them all the time to make any outfit really pop. Let me know down below what your favorite hairstyle was. And yes, that is it for this back to school affordable makeup and really easy hairstyles. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys have a great first day at school. And yes, I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!